Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can transfer data from your old phone to your Motorola Moto G04 or G04s. So let's say you want to transfer some pictures, photos or videos. You can do that really easily with the help of a certain app. So we're gonna open the Play Store and then we want to download and install an app called Send Anywhere. This is a great app if you want to transfer your data from one device to another. So let's quickly install it and then we're gonna run it. Once it is installed, we want to press the open button and it is really simple to use. Of course, at first we will be greeted by the app. We have to agree to the terms of service as well as the privacy policy, and then we can press confirm. Now over here we need to grant access for the app to your storage. Of course, as it should be quite obvious due to the fact that we are transferring files, so the app needs to have access to them. And then we can also choose not now over here, so we are not spammed by any updates. Over here we are already shown the Wi-Fi direct option. So if you want to, you can use it, we can enable it, and then we can also do that on the other device so that it is really easy to transfer the files. However, in my case, I'm gonna show you how we can receive the items from one device to your Motorola. So on my other device, I'm gonna select the photo that I want to send, and then I have the option to press send button. Of course, you can select multiple photos or items at once. Then you will see this code over here as well as the QR code. I'm gonna use the code instead. So we want to switch to receive on your Motorola, and then over here we have the option to input the key, so this code over here, or we can press this QR code over here, this button, in order to scan the QR code. Like I said, I'm gonna use the key instead, so let's enter these numbers. It is 602759 and the code is valid for 10 minutes. And then let's tap OK, and let's wait a second before we receive the item, and there we go. Now we can of course skip the ads in a sec, we don't need them. And there we go. Now in the history we can find that we have received the photo that we have just sent, and we can even open it in the app itself. If we go to the gallery right now, let's open the photos. Let's see if we can find it in the Google Photos. And let's allow it, don't back up. So we cannot really find it in the photos, but we should be able to find it in the library. So if we go to Send Anywhere, then we should be able to find our photo. And that's pretty much it. This is how we can transfer data from your old smartphone to your new Motorola Moto G04 or G04s. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!